Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
In this figure, find the values of x and y and then show that this line is parallel to this line. Now look at this angle 50 and this x. These are the linear pair. So x plus 50 is equal to 180. Hence I can say x is equal to 130. Okay, this I can directly say. Now x and y are equal. Now x equal to y. Can you tell me why? Because these are alternate interior angles. So I can say y is also 130. Okay. Now I had to find the values of x and y. So these are the values. Y can also be obtained by this because it's vertically opposite to this angle. So y is equal to 130 because it is vertically opposite to this. Okay, so y could be obtained from this also, right? In the given figure, if line AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to this line EF and Y is to Z, this is Z, this is Y, is 3:7, we need to find angle X. Okay, now see, Y is to Z is given as 3:7 and look at X and Z. If AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, then I can say AB is also parallel to EF. These three lines are parallel to each other. Hence X is equal to Z. X equal to Z. Why? Alternate interior angles. So I can say that I can replace Z by X. So Y is to X is equal to 3:7. Y and X are co-interior angles. X and Y are co-interior. So X plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Now I have given the ratio Y is to X equal to 3:7. So if I consider Y as 3t, then X will be 70. So 70 plus 3t is equal to 180. Hence 10t is equal to 180. So t is 18 degrees. Now X is 7 of t. So X is 7 times 18 degrees and Y is 3 times t. So thrice of 18. So this will be 126 and this will be 54. So I have obtained X and Y. We just had to find X. So X is 126 degrees. Okay. In the given figure, line AB is parallel to line CD. EF is perpendicular to CD. So this angle is 90 degrees. Angle GED is 126 degrees. So GED, that is this one. This complete angle is 126 degrees. So I can say angle GEF is equal to angle GED minus angle DEF. Right? What is angle GED? It is given as 126 and what is angle DEF? It is 90. So angle GEF, that is this angle, will be 36 degrees. So this will be 36 degrees. And I also need to find angle AGE. So angle AGE is this one. It will definitely be equal to this complete angle because of alternate interior angles. So angle AGE is equal to angle GED equal to 126 degrees alternate interior angles. Right? This we obtained. GEF we already obtained as 36. FGE, that is this angle. Now if I know this one, this can be obtained from the linear pair property. this angle is 126, so this will be 180 minus 126. So angle FGE will be 180 minus 126, that is 54 degrees. Okay, so we have obtained all the required angles. This is 54. GEF was 36 and AGE was 126 degrees. Alright. Now in this question, OP is parallel to RS. So this line is parallel to this one. Determine angle PQR. So if I consider this angle to be theta, I need to find theta in this question. Okay. So let us draw another line which is parallel to this line, hence parallel to this one also, because these two are parallel. Okay. So what I have done is I have drawn a parallel line QM, draw QM parallel to RS. So this angle, if this is alpha, then what will be alpha plus 130? It will be equal to 180. Why? Because alpha and this angle, let us name it as angle SRQ, are co-interior angles, hence supplementary. Okay, so their sum is 180, hence I can say alpha is equal to 50 degrees. So I have obtained this angle as 50 degrees, right? Now let us look at these lines. This line I have taken as parallel to this line. So, and this line was parallel to this line, right? Hence this QM will be parallel to OP. Now what is given is RS is parallel to OP, and I have taken RS parallel to QM because I have constructed QM in such a way that it is parallel to RS. Hence these two will tell me that QM is also parallel to OP. Okay. So this angle here is alternate interior angle of this. So this angle PQM will be equal to angle OPQ because these are alternate interior angles. Okay. So alpha plus theta is equal to 110 because alternate interior angles are equal. Alpha we already calculated, it is 50. So 50 plus theta is 110. Theta is equal to 110 minus 50, that is 60 degrees. Alright. So this is how you can calculate this. We have just drawn a parallel line to this and the question was very simple. In this figure, AB is parallel to CD. Angle APQ is 50. So this angle is 50 degrees. PRD, it is 127. Find X and Y. So we need to find these two angles. Okay. AB is parallel to CD. So this angle and this angle will be equal. Why? These are alternate interior angles. So X is equal to 50, right? And look at these angles. This angle will be equal to this angle. These are also alternate interior angles. So 50 plus Y is equal to 127. Hence Y is equal to 127 minus 50, that is 77 degrees. So these are the measures of X and Y. Okay. I have just applied the alternate interior angles property. Alright. Now in this question, this L and M are two plane mirrors parallel to each other. Prove that the incident ray, that is this ray, is parallel to the reflected ray, that is this ray. So these two rays are parallel, this we need to prove. Okay. And there is this property of plane mirror that if you reflect a ray, if you incident a ray and it will reflect, if you draw a normal or this perpendicular here, right, this angle of incidence, this is known as angle of incidence, at what angle the ray is coming to the mirror, right, at what angle it is reflected is known as the angle of reflection. and by the property of this mirror, angle of incidence, that is this angle, is always equal to angle of reflection, that is this angle. Okay. So, BM and CN, BM is perpendicular to L, this mirror, and CN is perpendicular to mirror M. Okay. Now see, if BM is perpendicular to L, then I can say angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. This is the property of plane mirror, that the angle at which the ray is incident will be equal to the angle at which it is reflected. Okay. And how do these angles, how are these angles made? With the normal. This is known as normal, or this is perpendicular line to the mirror. Okay. This is the mirror and this is perpendicular line. So, this is the angle of incidence and this is the angle of reflection, and these are equal. So, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Similarly, by this I can say angle 3 is equal to angle 4 using the same argument, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Now, these angles are equal. Now, see that these are two plane mirrors. These two plane mirrors are parallel to each other. If this line is considered as transversal, okay, this line is considered as transversal. Now, see, these two mirrors are parallel to each other, okay, and angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. If these two lines are parallel, okay, consider them to be the mirrors. So, think about this, the perpendicular line to this will also be parallel to the perpendicular line to this, right, because these two are parallel. So, these two lines will also be parallel. Okay. Now, these BM and CN are parallel, BM is parallel to CN. Okay. Now, see, this line is transversal, this line here is the transversal. So, this angle 2 will be equal to this angle 3, angle 2 will be equal to angle 3, right. Why? Because these are alternate interior angles. Now, if angle 2 is equal to angle 3, I can say angle 1 is equal to angle 4 also, right, because I just proved that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So, by using all this, we can say angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4, which are the alternate interior angles for these two lines AB and CD. Hence, AB is parallel to CD. Okay. Why? Because alternate interior angles are equal, hence these lines are parallel, right. So, this was about this exercise here. I hope this concept of lines and angles and parallel lines and transversal are clear to you by now. Thank you.